Hello, everyone. Welcome. Is it possible to start a business with little to no money? How? That is the question I am going to answer in this video. And the simple answer is yes, it is absolutely possible to start a business with little to no money. Many entrepreneurs have successfully built businesses with minimal upfront capital by leveraging creativity, resourcefulness, and online tools. Here are several ways to do it. Number one way to do it is leverage your skills and your knowledge. If you already have a skill or expertise, such as graphic design, writing, tutoring, consulting, sales, marketing, interpersonal relationship skills, and many more, you can offer services directly to clients without needing to buy products or inventory. This is commonly referred to as a service-based business, where your knowledge and time are the primary investments. Example, freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even local networks can connect you with clients looking for services that match your skills. Number two way to start a business without money is to start an online business. When you start an online business such as dropshipping, you can sell products online without needing to purchase inventory upfront. In dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. When you make a sale, your primary costs are setting up the website and marketing. Instead of even using a website, you can use a YouTube channel like this one and you can set it up. If you are ashamed and you don't want to show your face, you are shy in the video, you don't want to show your face, I can help you to set up a YouTube channel whereby it is going to be faceless. Only the product or service that you are providing will be shown on that channel, and then you can go ahead and sell your product and you see the sales coming into your business. How much am I going to set up this YouTube channel for you and run it for 6 to 12 months and even get it monetized? I'm going to charge you just 200,000 naira only, and it is a promo for this month from this 4th of December to December 31. After December 31, the promo ends, then a new price will be mentioned. So if you are contacting me later in 2025 or 2026 or other years that will follow, you know that the price have changed from 200,000 naira. And if you don't have over 200,000 naira during this time of promo, just contact me and then we can discuss the modality and see how we can shift ground. Now, another area apart from dropshipping is affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. This can be done with a blog, social media account, or YouTube channel, all of which can be started with little to no money. Then online courses or ebooks. If you are knowledgeable about a specific subject, and this goes to teachers, lecturers, or even artisans, or even stay-at-home moms, or even everyone have a story or two to tell, and that story can be put in a book and put online, and people buy it. So online courses or ebooks, if you're knowledgeable about a specific subject, you can create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to launch with minimal investment. Also, today now we have Seller. Seller is also available for you to use. Number three way to do business without money is use free or low-cost tools. Such tools include social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn can be used for free to market your products or services and build a community. Content creation, such as videos, posts, or articles, requires only time and creativity. Now, we're talking about ways by which you can use free or low cost tools for free. In this month of December, throughout this month of December, any business that contacts me to be help them to do a shout out about their business on this channel, I will do it for free. All you need to do, contact me, and then we'll discuss details about what the business is about, and I will do a comprehensive video about your business for free. This is my own way of saying thank you for tuning into my channel year after year, month after month, and video after video. So this is a special promo. You have a product, you have a service, you have something you want to sell, you have something you are doing, and you want me to do a shout out, and it is going to be for free only for this month of December. After this month of December, I am not going to do any free shout out again. I'm going to do only paid shout out. So contact me now while the December offer lasts. So, website builders, you don't need to hire a developer or designer. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace offer free plans or low-cost options to create a website. Then you can also partner with others, co-founders. You find a business partner and then you finance it together. Then you can also go into joint ventures. Then you can also barter your service. In bartering your service, you have a skill, so you tell them you're going to use your skill to do something for them, while they also provide what you need. Then you can utilize crowdfunding and grants. There are many grants bodies. I'm going to do a specific videos about crowdfunding sources and grants for businesses that are just starting off, so that you can take advantage of that, and then you can also go ahead. And if you need help with writing grants and applying for grants, you can contact me directly and we can discuss. But I'm going to charge you a token to offer that service. Then you can also sell digital products online. You create and sell digital products like templates, printable software, or stock photography, which require little to no overhead cost. Now, talking about stock photography, I made a video many years, about 3 or 4 years ago, when I was starting on this YouTube channel. And I made that video that, okay, you can sell photos online and make money. And people contacted me, oh, how? Now, you make only one video and only one photo, just snap only one photo, and you want to upload it and make money. How is it going to be? Who is going to be using only your one photo for everything they want to do? If you're going to make money with photography online, with your stock photography, you make at least 1,000, you upload at least 1,000 photographs. Most times, most of these sites, it's not that they will pay you for uploading the photograph. It is the people that use the photograph that will say thank you to you. So when they use it, this photograph is so good, so I like it, they will say thank you. And the thank you, they will now say they can give you $100. So if you have 1,000 videos every month, somebody is thanking you with $100, or two people are thanking you with $100. You know what that means? That's a big one. So in those sites like pzs.com, like pixabay.com, and many others, you upload the videos you upload your content for free, just like I am uploading my video also for free. It's when you watch it and watch it and watch it, and people watch it, that's when I get paid. So why I've done more than 1,000 videos on this channel already, and I'm doing more. I'm doing more, bringing information to people and helping people. As I'm helping people, as they are watching, I'm getting paid. Sometimes, some days I get paid 50 cents, sometimes 10 cents, sometimes 20 cents. Some lucky days I get $2, but averagely I get 50 cents to 40 cents per day on this channel. So if you are watching from America, watching from other places that are advanced countries, or you really want to support this channel, you can see in the join section below. Click on the join section, and then you can support by becoming a member. So I can be giving you special videos there, and then be making special videos. You can consult me. That can be a way that you can help me with. So we are doing this as a kind of community service actually, but at the same time we spend money on data and on doing research to bring you information. So also you can use free marketplaces like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay, and they are great platforms to sell products and services. Then you can tap into the gig economy by participating in gig economy platforms like Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, or Instacart. You can start earning quickly with minimal investment. This can help you save money that you can later invest into your business. So I know that you like content like this, and that is why you have stayed glued to this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Also like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, comment below. Until I come your way with more helpful videos. This video that is popping up showing from my channel right now is the next that you need to click and watch. All the best, guys. One love.